morning guys! Today, nag-travel kami from New York City going to upstate New York. And finally, nandito na kami sa Cooperstown. After almost 6 hours na biyahe, nandito na kami sa hotel. Around 7 a.m. na kami nakarating. Tapos papasok pa ako around 9 a.m. for training and familiarization. For now, we're staying here at Holiday Inn for 2 weeks habang naghahanap pa kami ng apartment. Super thankful talaga kasi kami may car kaming pinahiram nila kuya. So, dumating kami dito sa upstate, pa-end na yung summer, pa-transition na siya papuntang fall. Kaya makikita mo yung mga halaman sobrang kapal pa at mukha pang fresh na fresh yung vibes. So, bali guys, dito sa US may 4 na season. Winter, Spring, Summer, and Fall or Autumn. Sa upstate New York, medyo mahaba yung winter, umaabot daw ng 3 to 6 months. Minsan October pa lang ramdam mo na, tapos March pa natatapos. Sa ibang part ng New York or states naman, mas short lang around 3 to 4 months. So guys, room tour muna tayo. Unahin natin yung toilet. Spacious, may bathtub, may shower, at may toilet bowl. Pero mukhang hindi uso dito yung bidet. Tissue paper lang gamit, parang kailangan nating mag-prepare ng tabo. Welcome sa bedroom! May 2 king-size bed. Dito sa side may coffee maker at tea setup. Tapos sa kabilang side, may microwave. At sa kabilang cabinet, meron namang fridge. Naman yung air conditioning system nila. They use Fahrenheit dito, hindi siya Celsius guys. And yung kama naman, malambot naman siya. Tapos, ayan pala, check nyo yung view sa window namin. Check naman din natin yung ibang amenities nila. So guys, lipat naman tayo. Unahin natin yung pool. Heated pool siya, kaya kahit winter season, pwede pa rin. Guys, meron din silang gym dito. Okay naman yung gamit. May treadmill, may weights, may pang cardio. Perfect siya kung gusto mo mag-workout kahit naka-hotel ka lang. By the way guys, may free breakfast pala dito. Wala na akong video ng food, pero usual lang siya. Eggs, bread, cereal, minsan may sausage or bacon. And ito naman yung laundry room nila. May bayad siya. So, if mag-long stay kayo dito, don't worry about your laundry. And that's our Holiday Inn experience! Meron na tayong apply update, meron tayong libreng cheese and yogurt. Binigyan ka talaga niya o nanghingi ka?
Hindi, binigyan niya yung...
Kailan ka mag-start?
Next week, sabi ko.
After 1 week namin dito sa Coopers, nag-apply na si Happy and thankfully nakahanap na siya ng work. So today, pasyal muna kami dito sa Cooperstown.
Balik ka kaliwa.
Cooperstown.
First time makalabas, nag-coffee. At pala kanina pinicture namin yung
Pinicture ko yung coffee. So ayan, lakad-lakad muna kami ngayon. Pupuntahan namin yung Otsego Lake.
We will go to the
Masarap
lake.
yung coffee nila. Yung sa'yo. Matamis. Pero yung cold brew nila okay.
Nagkape guys, stage coffee. Tapos doon kami nakapark. Ayan, kotse ni Kuya. Punta tayo sa lake ngayon. Sa lake. Apple. Eba, kunin mo ang mansanas. Eba, kunin mo ang mansanas. Let's go back na. Morning. 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 Morning coffee.
Ang lamig, pati yung sasakyan, ang lamig. Sa atin, pagpasok mo ng sasakyan, napapasok ko. Ayan guys, papasok na ako sa work ngayon. Hatid ako ni Habi. Ramdam mo na yung lamig kahit September pa lang. Pag-uwi ko ng hapon, inasikaso na namin yung apartment na tutuluyan namin. Inayos na namin agad kasi next week na mag-start na si Habi ng work.
One is square. One is square.
Kaya nga. So guys, almost a month na kami dito sa Cooperstown, establishing our life. Then, isang unexpected thing ang nangyari. Habang papunta si Habi sa work, na-aksidente siya. Tumama sa ditch. Good thing, okay naman siya. Sa hospital, lahat ng test, vitals, x-ray, and CT scan, normal naman. Thank God talaga. Kinabukasan, tinignan namin kung saan siya tumama exactly with the help of our Filipino friends na na-meet namin dito.
Yan, dito yan. Oo, dito yon.
Feeling ni Habi dito siya tumama pero di niya alam saan eksaktong sang parte. And then, pumunta na kami sa car. Tinignan namin yung car na hiniram namin kay kuya. Totally damaged na siya. Pero despite everything, minor injury lang si Habi kaya we just keep moving forward and stay thankful.
Picture lang Henry.
Sayang guys, pa-approve pa naman sana next week yung car namin. Isang linggo na lang sana, kaso nangyari yung incident. Kaya di nakapasok si Habi for a week kasi wala kaming car. At inaasikaso din namin yung gagamitin naming car for this week. And finally guys, nakuha na namin yung car. Nakadrive na ulit si Habi. Ito yung gamit niya ngayon. Meet Snitch!
There's a lot of eagle here.
After naming nakuha, that same week, binisita kami nila kuya. Nangamusta sila at nag-advise na rin na okay lang daw yung nasira at napapalitan naman daw ito kumpara sa buhay ng tao. So minsan, one day feels normal and the next day bring changes that shake everything. Pero we keep moving forward. Alam naman natin, God is walking with us. So today is another day! Papasyal naman tayo dito uli sa Otsego Lake. Nag-ask kami sa mga local kung saan ba pwede mag-fishing kasi yung kids gusto nila mag-lake fishing. Ang maganda, maayos ang weather ngayon at makaraw. At this week din pala magbe-birthday si ate at ang twins.
Happy birthday, ate.
Twins' birthday too.
Twins' birthday.
Early birthday.
Early birthday.
Earthly birthday.
That's how we supposed to go. Can we get fish? Guys, be careful of my
Bika.
dangerous.
You got talumot. Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, let's touch it.
What is that? Is it harmless?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't bite me.
I'll try. It's
Oh no!
harmless.
Is that a spider?
Yeah.
Yeah. A very harmless spider. Oh my god. What? Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh no. That wasn't a spider. That was an illusion. Where is it?
It's a lure?
Yeah.
Sa inyo yan, kuya? Can I see?
May nagpapalipad din ng drone. So, wala kaming nahuling fish ngayon, kaya tumabay na lang kami at pinanood tong mga bibe. After this, magla-lunch na din kami.
Happy birthday, twins!
Happy birthday, me and Lucas.
Against the light. Taas mo ganun, Beb. Smile, Gabe!
Oh, that's
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang kuya.
1, 2. Happy birthday, twins!
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yan.
We wrap up the day celebrating Ate Gail and the kiddos' birthday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, no matter what happens, focus on the positive things around you. See you next time. Bye. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.